Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And Microsoft has announced that it paid a record $20 million to 562 security researchers from the July 1st, 2025 to June 30th, 2026 period. And that amounts to about $39,000 per head. And this, of course, is a increase of 4 million over last year. So a lot of it has to do with AI now that actually looks at the security problems. So, of course, that means that there will probably be more payouts even in the year ahead. Now, the sad number maybe could be the fact that although they paid more money, 20 million instead of 16, the amount of money per head last year was 49,000, and this year is 39,000. So it lowered the number, but we're saying per head, and not, of course, counting the fact that of the 562 security researchers that were paid, some have discovered multiple flaws, so have been paid a lot more money, and some have a lot lower money. This is just an average per head. So Microsoft, of course, is really working hard, and wants to pay all of the people that find any type of security flaws. I mean, this is the standard for all companies now. You find a security flaw, proof of concept, they will pay you and give you some money depending on how that flaw is important. If you find a critical flaw that's a 0-day, you will get more money than if it's a hard to exploit flaw and that has a low grade on it. So it depends on what you're finding. So, thanks to these people, well, we are staying safe in Windows. And of course, not just Windows. Every company has those, from, Apple computers to, any Google with Android and Chrome and all of that. Actually, when you get a Google Chrome update and you see these security flaws that they list, often you see an amount of money next to them, telling you how much money they actually paid a security researcher for it. So this is probably going to be on the rise with all of the AI search and the security flaws over the next years. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.